Sales funnels are a must when it comes to online marketing for any entrepreneur or business owner these days. Whether you're trying to grow your Instagram account, do dropshipping on Shopify, or promoting somebody else's course, a sales funnel can help you maximize your results. The most popular funnel builder in the market for 2019 is definitely ClickFunnels. But if you look for reviews, you're probably just going to find someone promoting their affiliate program instead of doing an in-depth review. Well, today, we will be giving an honest review from a professional perspective without all the hype. Stay tuned to see if investing in ClickFunnels in 2019 is worth it.
Hey, what is going on, guys? This is Nicolas Salgado from onmysoftware.com, the best place to read about reviews of some of the most popular softwares in the market.
So first things first, many people are looking for shortcuts. They think they're going to find a magic tool that is going to make them rich overnight. ClickFunnels is nothing like that. ClickFunnels is a tool to make sales funnels. It's actually that simple. So what's a sales funnel? A sales funnel is basically a path that you want your customer to go into. Sounds simple, right? Let's take this website for instance. If Gibson was running ads to direct traffic right into their homepage, they would lose all of their money. People actually have the attention of a goldfish. They will probably get distracted between all of the guitar models available, or they will go ahead to check the accessories, and in the end, they wouldn't buy anything. On the other side, let's take a look at a funnel made by Russell Brunson, founder of ClickFunnels. As you can see, this website is really simple. It doesn't have a lot of complicated menus or stuff like that, but it is actually showing you just one option so you can follow the path they want you to follow. Now we're going to see a clear example of what a sales funnel looks like inside the ClickFunnels interface. This is a sales funnel I created literally in 5 minutes. As you can see here are all the steps or the path you want your customer to follow. Doing this, you're able to control when to show them offers or not. In this particular path, the first step is the lead magnet, where you're going to be receiving all the traffic. This is basically giving them something in exchange for their emails. Now they are going to walk to an upsell page where they are going to be offered an amazing product. In case the customer was not able to afford it, they will go to a downsell page. Finally, whether they decided to purchase something or not, they will be sent to the thank you page. Right there, you walked through a perfect funnel. So why the steps? Because customers are going to be making small commitments. They might buy one thing which will make you break even with your advertising cost, but in the end, you will have their email. If you have been in online marketing for a while, you will know that the cost of Facebook ads has gone up. If you used to receive a lead for $1 using Facebook ads, now you have to pay $2. This means that you have to make more money per customer. That is crucial, because if you send your traffic right into one of your products, regardless of how good your product is, people won't buy unless they trust you. They have to see you a couple of times before even thinking about buying from you. That's why having their emails is so important, but we will talk about that in just a second.
Since you now know what a sales funnel is, we can jump right into ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels was made so that entrepreneurs didn't have to worry about programming or stuff like that. In fact, it has a drag and drop mechanism, which helps a lot when editing a funnel. It also has a lot of pre-built funnels, which are completely free. I never use the paid ones because the free ones are completely customizable. All of these are blueprints that a lot of people use and actually earn money with. ClickFunnels also offers a lot of types of funnels. Wanna make a webinar? You can do it with ClickFunnels. Wanna replace your current homepage from your website with a funnel? You can do it with ClickFunnels too. There are a lot of options when it comes to that. Something really nice is that Russell Brunson explains on all of these funnels what they are and how to actually use them. He actually explains everything really clear and he gives away a lot of free training. Another super useful tool I found is their Facebook group. It is clear that Bronson wanted not only to make a good software, but also wanted to build a community. People from the group are usually willing to offer help to whoever asks, which is really useful. ClickFunnels is a tool where you can have an all-in-one solution. With this, I mean that you can have email marketing automatization, a smart shopping cart, or you can have an affiliate program inside of it, so you don't have to worry about working with a lot of programs apart and then trying to set them up so that they actually work.
What I really like about ClickFunnels
Is there integrations with other softwares?
You don't have to use ClickFunnels for webinars, email marketing, and payment services if you don't want to. I personally like it better to use a different program to deal with my email marketing rather than using ClickFunnels, for example. And since I like that better, I don't have to deal with programming because ClickFunnels integrates with it. A couple of softwares you can do integrations with are ActiveCampaign, Aweaver, EverWebinar, Facebook, GetResponse, Infusionsoft, MailChimp, Zapier, where you can integrate with other platforms such as Shopify or WordPress, and those are just a few of the complete list.
A really important part of online marketing that beginners usually miss is email marketing. In one of Russell Burns' events, he said he was earning $1.17 per dollar spent inside his funnel. This means that he was barely breaking even with the advertising cost. He then said that with his email marketing, he was earning $17.03 per dollar spent. That is massive. I am mentioning this because there are two types of memberships. The basic one, which costs $97 per month, and the most expensive one, which costs $297 per month. The difference between both is the number of things you can have. The most expensive one has unlimited number of funnels, visitors, and custom domains, while the basic one includes 20 funnels, a maximum of 20,000 visitors, and 3 custom domains. The most expensive one also includes something called Backpack and Actionetics MD. Backpack is something that basically can add an affiliate program to your product. That is something nice to have, but I didn't switch to the most expensive package because of that, but because of Actionetics MD. Actionetics MD is a new version of what Actionetics used to be, and it is something completely amazing in my opinion. Instead of being a usual email auto-transponder, it creates smart lists of all people who share with you their email and speaks to them in a lot of platforms such as email, messages through Facebook, text messages, or partially any software that integrates with ClickFunnels, which are a lot as you just saw. There are other ways to send people notifications through all these platforms in other softwares, but they act separately. There isn't any software that is able to have everything together. That is why I think it is awesome. This new version of Actionetics is also able to create smart lists for your customers, which helps you to analyze the traffic that is coming to your website and determine how likely they can turn into customers by giving them a certain score with a complicated algorithm. Actionetics MD is something that is not completely necessary, but that in my experience will convert more than the basic package. The last feature I wanted to talk about is about their affiliate program. I will go straight to the point. It is one of the best affiliate programs I've ever used, simply because it gives you everything: banners, email swipes, Facebook images, you name it. It also gives you recurring commissions, which means that as long as the person you refer to the software continues to use it, you will earn a $38.8 commission. We don't want to get into too much detail, but just know that since the product is really good, it is easy to promote as well. ClickFunnels has a lot of good things, but we should also mention a couple of downsides about it. The first one is that it is not cheap. Don't get me wrong, it continues to amaze me how many things I can get done inside the software, but focusing just on the funnel building, there are other cheaper options out there. Another downside I found is that it has a steep learning curve. It is really easy to use, but don't expect to start earning money if you're just starting out to create your first funnel. A learning curve in other softwares can be translated into time wasted, but for ClickFunnels, the learning curve is translated into money invested. I am saying this because the time you take to improve your funnel will not necessarily help you to earn money faster, simply because you have to test these funnels with people, and the best way is using ads. Bottom line, if you're doubting whether to invest in ClickFunnels or not because of the price, chances are you would be better off looking for a cheaper option to actually learn more about funnels and then jump into ClickFunnels. But if you're looking for the best funnel builder in the market with the best conversion rates and all-in-one solution software and a super easy to use interface, you have found your winner. No other funnel builder out there can match what ClickFunnels has been doing over the last couple of years, and it will just continue to improve. They are already working on new projects such as Pipeline and Wasabi, and they look exciting as well. If you would like to get their 14-day trial, I will leave a link in the description below. Last but not least, if you would like me to continue doing honest reviews of the most popular softwares for entrepreneurs and business owners out there, please don't forget to thumbs up and comment this video. If you have any question at all about ClickFunnels, please leave it in the comments below. Thank you for watching.